It's only you that think you have to do something special. You have to reinvent the wheel or do some sort of magic before you become who you want to become. Your future person is just looking at you, and the distance between you and your future person is just discipline. I know you've heard this over the time, or you've heard this over the years in a lot of videos. Even if you like watching these kind of videos, then these videos have been bombarding you all over this YouTube platform. But listen to this video very carefully and subscribe to the channel, like the video, and put me on post notifications so that you see any video I post after this one. I'm on a mission to build a community or a platform that has people who have like minds and have the mindset that does not fail. So people that are subscribing to my channel have zero chances of failure in their life. And I want you to join us so that you don't miss out in anything that we are going to learn on this channel. Discipline is seen to be a very big word, and mostly we take is something that is so big or something that is a great burden that we cannot handle. And most people think they can't be disciplined because even if when they start doing something, they just have to stop because they think it's so hard to do. But in this video, we are going to break down discipline and are going to see how we can even be more disciplined in our busy schedules. It is very hard for young people nowadays to be very disciplined. So they take that how people talk about discipline is not true, or there's a lie about how successful people that they look up to are talking about discipline in almost every part of their videos or in almost every platform they get a chance to talk about their life story. But the truth is, if they didn't make it through discipline, they wouldn't have shared that story to you. Because before, I used to think that my YouTube channel can blow up without being that disciplined or without following all those things that those YouTube help or YouTube growth channels talk about. But in the long run, I realized it's still discipline, it's still consistency, it's still those things that they have been talking about, those tips they have always been talking about in their videos that I need to make my video or my channel prosper. Because after talking to some YouTubers or after linking up with other people that have success in YouTube, I realized it's the same thing that these videos have been talking about, and there's nothing different and there's nothing special that I can do to make my YouTube channel blow other than those tips that we use to know. When you take your phone and put your problems down, you put your problems down in ChatGPT or you put your problem down in any search engine, those tips that they are going to give you are the same tips that big men or big people that you look up to are also going to give you. But you may not believe it. You may not believe that those things work, or because you see them as little things and you see them as things that you can do and so not work out for you. So let's break us down to the word discipline again, because it's all boils down to discipline. How do we approach discipline? Discipline is appearing to do it even when we feel like we shouldn't do it. Even when we are so tired that we can't do it. And we still want to achieve something, and we still have a focus that we want to hit. We still have a goal that we want to hit. We still have an aim that we want to hit. Because of that, we are getting to work, or we are still looking into bring out our success or bring out our results that we deserve. That's discipline. And there's nothing more for you to have about that, or there's no special thing behind that. So if someone tells you that be disciplined, do this, do this, do that, this is what you are supposed to do to get here. That's exactly what you are supposed to do to get there, and there's nothing new for you. Because I know that a lot of young people like me and you are looking for extra ways or are looking for shortcuts to become who we want to become. But there's nothing like that. And if you are not set on the hill already, there's no magic that is going to teleport you, or there's no magic that's going to take you straight up to the hill. You have to climb to get there. And climbing to get there is what we call discipline. It's a step at a time. You don't force it in a day. You don't become that big person in a day. It's a step at a time. And that's what most people are not able to do. That's what most young people hate doing. And because of that, if 100 people are going to start doing something today, there's a probability that only 10 of them or even less than 10 of them are going to have success in that, because most of them are going to stop along the line because they hate discipline so much. The reason why you're not getting successful at what you are doing is because you hate discipline. How many of you have not heard that if you appear to do it every day, you are going to find success? A lot of us have heard that, and this is not news to you watching this video, because you have been watching a lot of self-improvement videos. You have been watching it over and over again, and you have been hearing it every time, but you are still looking for that special video that is going to tell you one secret. And this is the one secret I'm telling you. The one secret is that go back, watch all those videos again, and follow whatever they are talking about, because you watch them for watching sake. You watch them and learn nothing from them. But let me tell you, those videos that are 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes that you watch and learn nothing from them, they are the gold. They are the special things you are looking for. Sit down and watch them again and know that there is something in them that is going to make you successful. There's something in them that you are looking for. There's nothing new that you are going to pay or you're going to be a premium subscriber for that is going to change, other than this type of videos that you are watching right now. I'm not trying to sell my video to you. I'm not trying to promote myself to you. But I'm trying to tell you that you are looking for something. You are looking for a treasure that is not hidden. You are looking for a treasure that is in your space, or a treasure that is open up, exposed to you, that you think is hiding behind someone or hiding behind the brain of someone. If it was hiding behind the brain of someone, then none of these great people that you are seeing on YouTube, or none of these great people that you are seeing in your space would have gotten to that extent in their life. It's just what we see every day. It's just what we do every day. Discipline is an everyday thing. Discipline is something that you don't have to calculate a lot of things to do. You want to be a content creator. You are creating content every day. You are being consistent with it. You are learning what is new, what great people in that space are doing, and what they are making on their channel that is making them great. You are learning from them and you are inculcating those things you have learned in your videos. That's just discipline. But we think it's something great that we have to pay money for. We have to pay money to someone for a premium, or you have to pay consultation money to someone so that we can have discipline. You can pay thousands of dollars to any person, or any person that you think is great, any person that you think that's a one-on-one session with you. But after that, if you are not able to stay disciplined, if you are not able to hold tight and break from your comfort zone, or break from the things that keep you from creating what you want to be, you are still going to be a failure. Sometimes you might feel tired, you might feel uncomfortable to do what you want to do, or what you have to do to get to where you want to go. But I'm telling you the truth that if you are going to stay disciplined and you're going to forget about how sleepy you feel, you're going to forget about how tired you are, you're going to forget about how many times you have to scroll on social media or IG, TikTok, anywhere in a day, and focus on the things that you think that this is what I have to do to be successful in this path that I've chosen for myself. You are going to get there without you even knowing, because these big people that you see that you want to be like, and you think they did rocket science or they did a magic to get where they are, they all did it consistently to get there. So the point of whatever I want to say in this video is that if you are not consistent, if you are not disciplined, forget about what you want to become, because you are never going to become it. Forget about the number of interview or the number of one-on-one consultations you are going to pay for. If you can't be consistent, if you can't stay focused to what you want to do, you just have to forget about it, because it's never going to happen without discipline and consistency. Be disciplined so that we can continue learning about how to can build our mindsets for who we want to become in future. Thank you for watching. Until we see again, go back and watch my previous video that's talking about how you can create your dream life.